Welcome, today I have VIVO V21 5G and I'll show you how Face Unlock works in this smartphone. I'm going to make a few tries, we are going to check how fast it works and if it's reliable. So let's start. Okay, as you can see it's pretty fast. I think it's a little bit slower than the fingerprint sensor that you can find in the screen. But let's make a few tries. And let's make the final judgment after the test. Okay, right now I can say that it's probably the same speed. So we can unlock this smartphone really fast with both protection with face unlock and the fingerprint sensor. As you can see, it works really great. So yeah, it's fast, it's sensitive and it's reliable. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.